32 degrees in Sweden in December, 30 degrees in the water. That is for many a dream, but not for that much longer. Liseberg's Waterpark Oceana is growing rapidly at the old parking lot at Liseberg. But what will we find on the inside when the park is ready? This video will be quite spoiler heavy, so if you don't want the information about Oceana, turn this video off now. Still there? Okay then, get ready for a deep dive in Liseberg Oceana and what we can expect when the park opens in 2024. I also want to let you know that there is a chance that the park is ready sometime by the end of 2023 if all goes to plan, but that does not mean that the park will open earlier. This is a Coaster Stop news update about Liseberg's Waterpark Oceana. There have been talks about Liseberg adding a water park for many years, and it's finally happening. We all have known for quite a long time that there will be a water park, but now it is there. Oceana is growing and lately the roof has started to take shape. Oh, and it's almost already covered. With the help of this awesome drone footage from coasterblog.se on Instagram, you can also see that the pools inside the water park has a shape. The following information in this video is subject to change and may not be the final version of how the water park will look. I have sourced all of this information in official permits sent to Gothenburg City from Liseberg. Let's begin with an overhead look of the water park. I am pretty sure that only a few of you have seen this before, so it's quite exciting to share. The pool in the middle is the wave pool, and also home to the biggest beach in the water park, as it seems. To the left we have a kiddie area which also features a beach. The small pool looks like it will have some smaller slides, and next to that another small beach, and here it says water games, so this might be some kind of splash zone or similar. We also find a lazy river that goes outside. But it remains to be seen if this will be open year-round or not. Over here you can find the landing zone for two of the major slides. One of them I call the Boomerang, which is also the one that I am most excited for. The other two major rides could have their landing zone over here. That was the pools. Let's skip to the things you are interested in, bars and food. In this corner we find a bar, which also looks to be the only one in the water park at the moment. There is also a catering area located over here. In the dry area we also find a coffee shop and a store. Liseberg have said that there will be a restaurant, but I have not located it yet in the plans, so that remains to be seen. Something that I do not seem to find is a swim-up bar. That would be amazing to see at Oceana. Okay, let's make it real. This is what you are waiting for, the rides. Let's have a somewhat of a look of the rides and slides found at Oceana. Liseberg have told us that Oceana will have 4 major slides, and they look like this. If I understand it correctly, 2 of the slides are tube slides. Does that mean that I have to carry around an inflatable tube up the stairs when I stand in line? No. Liseberg have thought about that for you. If we go back and look at the layout plans from the top, here it says conveyor. That basically means tube lift. So when you walk up the stairs or stand in line for the slides, the tubes are already up there waiting for you. This is fantastic, and if you have been at a water park that features this, you know how nice this is. I have mentioned in earlier videos that Liseberg have already ordered the water slides for a price of around 120 million Swedish crowns. In almost a year from now, Liseberg Oceana could be finished, and Liseberg can start to prepare to invite guests inside. Are you excited about Liseberg's Waterpark Oceana? If so, let me know what you think in the comments down below. You have watched a Coaster Stop news update about Oceana, the brand new water park being constructed at Liseberg as of right now. If you like this video, please press the like button, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
The